in Swansea, going to Liverpool. It's the Swansea train station, and if you look up there, my train is at 4:01. That board. So my train is from Swansea to Cardiff, Cardiff to Castle, Castle to Liverpool. Chester, yeah. But then this one is only showing from here to Cardiff. And then I'll show you guys again from Cardiff to Chester. Hello, hi, bonjour, bon dia, boa tarde, guten morgen, buenos dias, wherever you find yourself. Hi and welcome. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Hulda Pokolo. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for tuning back in. In today's video, I'm traveling from Swansea to Liverpool via train, and I wanted to take you guys along. So if you want to see all the sceneries and how it looks like, we are passing through Cardiff, Newport, and all the other small towns. I'll attach my journey tracker on the screen, somewhere on the screen, and you can see where we are passing through. Otherwise, please tag along and enjoy. This is the Cardiff Stadium, and from Swansea to Cardiff is roughly around about 1 hour, and this is the Cardiff station. We have arrived. For those that do not know, Swansea is a coastal city, and it's the second largest city of Wales. They speak English and another language called Welsh. So my next train is that one, 1714, going to Chester. Yeah. This is my first stop, Cardiff Station. I had to change platforms and I had to wait for the next train for 16 minutes. But everybody was helpful. They helped carry my bag. They helped direction with platforms. They'll just come to you and be like, "You're right." They are so helpful.
Rydyn ni nawr yn nesau at Cwmbraf. Os ydych yn gadael yma, gwnewch yn siŵr bod eich bagiau a cheiddio I gyd gyda chi.
Welsh, maybe?
Diolch am deithio gyda Trafnidiaeth Cymru.
I think so.
We are now approaching Cwmbraf. If you are leaving us here, please make sure you have all your luggage and belongings with you. Thank you for travelling with Transport for Wales.
So I managed to get my next train, and it was so punctual, guys. The good thing is they have an app, and it's showing you precisely where you are, how far you are, if there's any delay. It's just so punctual. It's just so user friendly. So honestly, if you are alone, there's nothing to fear. The trains are so quiet, guys. It's so quiet. Nobody's shouting, nobody's laughing excessively loud. It's just so quiet that you can even hear a person's conversation in the call. That's why I'm so shy to make voiceovers while I'm recording, because I mean, it's just too quiet. It would be so awkward. But yes, it was actually a nice journey, and everybody is minding their own business. So Cardiff is not far from Swansea, and it's actually the capital of Wales. And honestly, you guys saw my ticket. It was from 4 and I was about to arrive at 9, but I was not scared the whole time. Like, I just felt very safe. Didn't feel the need of, being scared of taking taxis later on whatsoever. I am on my way to Chester.
Rydyn ni nawr yn nesau at
I don't know what language it is, guys.
Os ydych yn gadael yma, gwnewch yn siŵr bod eich bagiau a cheiddio I gyd gyda chi. Diolch am deithio gyda Trafnidiaeth Cymru.
We are now approaching Abergavenny. If you are leaving us here, please make sure you have all your luggage and belongings with you. Thank you for travelling with Transport for Wales.
The train is quiet, it's safe, it's clean. Oh my gosh, it's just everything. It's not like the South African trains. I've never been from Swansea to Liverpool. I just forgot my specs. I'm so mad at myself. I forgot my specs. My AirPods are empty. The case fell and they fell out. Literally empty. So that also brought my charger. I know. So much is going on, but yeah, I'll ask her to mail it to me. I'll show you the road here. It's actually very nice. From my observation, it really looks like the UK is almost forever green, and then you'll find farmhouses here and there where some do have cattle, sheep, goats, and I don't actually know what else maybe they harvest or cultivate. But I mean, it's a big developed country, so you can only imagine the possibilities. I don't know if you guys have watched any movies produced in England or in the UK, but I literally feel like I'm living in a movie. It really feels so real. The weather, the environment, the people, everything really, it's just like a movie. Anyways, I'm gonna attach the train app somewhere here on the screen in case you come to England and you need to the UK in general and you need to use it. And in terms of safety, honestly, I think that's the last worry on my mind at this moment. And then if you can speak English and you know how to smell and ask for direction, that should honestly not be a problem. You shouldn't be scared. Plus, everything is really just like, everything is there. You just need to read and know where you're going. That's it. So no worry in case you are traveling alone. Someone please correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like this is like the countryside and the landscape is just, is it just me? I feel like it's too tidy. Like you don't even see one plastic bag on the floor. But anyways, all these small towns do have museums and castles, and I think maybe we should go to a museum together. Let's see. We should go to a museum. When I get in Liverpool, we'll go to a museum together. So because it's also my first time, I don't actually know how it looks like, or I had no idea how it looks like. So the main aim of this video is actually to show you guys exactly how the UK looks like. So enough talking from my side, let's enjoy the scenery. Train. It's actually nice. It's better than the other one, the previous one I forgot to take, but this is nice. And I'm sitting at something like this. This setting on my side. So yeah, it's actually nice.
roads.
Okay. It will show now.
Okay. Yeah, Shrewsbury. Wow.
Okay.
That was quick.
Very quick.
Honestly, that was quick.
I think it's because we are talking. That's
Yeah,
why.
maybe. I was not expecting
That's why we're having a
Shrewsbury.
chat. Yeah.
Oh, like you will make the. Oh yeah, you can be the YouTuber that. Oh guys, to come to UK, these are the things you should pack.
Yeah.
These are the things you should not pack. Here you can get what's called accommodation.
Yeah.
Right. Nice.
Guys, I just came to show you guys. Hey, close. What the hell? Open, close. Close. And then closes the door. I came to show you guys this toilet. It's so huge.
The door is closed, but not locked. Please press the lock button to lock the door.
Okay.
Thank you.
Lock. Okay. Just press the lock button. Guys, it's so huge. You know how I don't like...
The door is now locked.
Okay. You know how I don't like using toilets even in the flight, because they are so small, they are squished, it's moving and you're uncomfortable, so I avoid using them. But I had to come and use this one, and oh my god, I'm impressed. It's big, it's really huge, and I'm sure you can also change a baby nappy here. Oh, it's so nice. Yeah, this, open it here. So this is really nice. I came to show you guys this. So yeah, it's quite big. They have this nice view down here. So yeah, this is the door. You open it by pressing this button. Open sunroof. So yeah, okay guys.
So after you board at every station, there will be people coming around to scan your tickets, and depending on what type of ticket you have, whether it's an electronic ticket or whether it's the hard one, you just show it and then they'll scan it.
O'clock in the night. Can you believe it's 8 o'clock?
It's 8 o'clock, yeah, and it's still light like this, eh?
Yeah. It's unusual
so nice.
for me as well, yeah.
Yeah, hey? It's
Yeah.
not like this in India.
No, not at all.
Yeah, for me,
This
back
much
home.
this much sunlight I'll get like 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock.
Yeah, yeah,
6:37
yeah.
really starts getting dark.
By 6, the sun is setting by our side, and it's 8.
I guess it's with the equatorial countries.
Yeah.
Like, this is like Mediterranean, so maybe I don't know. Something different.
It's crazy. And that's why I was comfortable taking this train, because I was like, okay, it's still not that dark, although I'm going alone.
Yeah.
It's just the
Don't worry
safety.
about it. Liverpool is good, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah. Like I've never been there, but I never heard something wrong from.
Wrong,
Yeah,
okay.
So like,
And we are here. Happy for you.
yeah.
I'm excited for you.
Crash, dude.
So this is Chester.
Yep. It's a small town.
Oh yeah, actually all of those ones are just like small towns. Like
Sorry?
since Swansea, I'm saying all the towns we passed, it's
Yeah,
literally like
most of them.
small.
Cardiff is not.
Except for Cardiff, yeah.
Cardiff is
Cardiff,
not. Maybe Newport.
Newport as well.
Semi-big, I would say.
Okay.
But yeah. Others are kind of small. This Chester has not started yet. Maybe. I don't
See?
know. This is not. I don't think it's Chester. Or
What's our next destination? It's not Chester.
the next station is Chester, but I think
Oh,
this
okay.
This is the place like between Chester
Oh,
and
okay.
I don't know, like
Maybe.
because it says 8:15 and at the point it'll reach over there. So
Okay, okay. Oh, the sun is beautiful, eh? Oh, it's the
Oh
night
no,
I was about
this is
to.
Chester. Yeah.
It is Chester, hey? I feel the excitement kicking into you.
Yeah. We haven't met like 1.5 months.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh.
I had my exams like sort of submissions and everything, final
Oh,
submissions.
so that you had to do.
Yeah, so like
All seeing that you're also graduating and all that.
I graduated
Yeah.
officially, like I've got my
Yeah.
results and everything.
Okay.
Just waiting for the convocation now.
Okay.
Official.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay. So you haven't seen her for a whole month and a half.
Yeah. I know it doesn't sound like a big deal, but yeah.
No, it is. Surely
When you
is.
live in like the same town.
Yeah, it's not so
it's-
far
it's-
from.
No, like back in India. When
Oh,
used
you
to live
guys
in the
dated
same
from India.
town.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice,
yeah.
nice,
Like
nice.
3 years.
Oh no! So you guys all plan to come to the UK together? Why
Actually, it
didn't
was not planned. But it happened.
really?
Yeah.
Why?
And of course, I met an Indian friend, and he was telling me a lot about their culture, their tradition, their way of doing things, which is so beautiful, so distinct, so different. And I think I should probably interview an Indian person on this channel. Otherwise, we are approaching Chester.
I think I should get my bags down.
I should also get my bags.
Your bags down, sir.
No, I have the other one there.
That's down.
Rydyn ni nawr
Oh,
yn
you mean?
nesau Caer. Os ydych yn gadael yma,
I don't know what
gwnewch yn
under a
siŵr
bridge
bod
or
eich
something.
bagiau a cheiddio i gyd gyda chi. Diolch am deithio gyda Trafnidiaeth Cymru.
Yes, I need to get ready.
We are now approaching
Edinburgh.
Chester. If you are leaving us here, please make sure you have all your
I'm so tired. My bag is so heavy, guys. This guy is so nice. The one I met now. I brought me to this station, 7B, so I can wait for my next station. Wait, guys, I'll put you in the pockets for now. I am so tired. I need to catch my breath. Anyways, I'm in Chester. I got two nice people that helped me with my bag. Obviously, homegirl doesn't travel light. This guy helped me down the stairs as well. So yeah, I'm in Chester. Next destination is Liverpool, and it's like 1 hour, roughly 45 minutes actually from here, and I have to wait here for like 30 minutes. So yeah, there's nothing to do. It's very quiet. Let me just switch the camera. It's quiet, like there's really nothing to do. But yeah, this is the station. Homegirl's bags, it's very heavy, that thing. Yeah, that is where I came from. Let me just zoom here. It says Chester there. So yeah, quite nice. You won't be able to see with this, but it says Liverpool Central. That's our next destination, and it's on time. So yeah. Can't be this one. So let's wait for like 30 minutes.
Ferry, Green Lane, Birkenhead Central, Hamilton Square, James Street, Moorfields, Liverpool Line Street, and Liverpool Central. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it.
Leaving from Chester to Liverpool. Oh, of course, I thought I'm going the wrong way. Guys, can you believe that it's 8:30 and the sun is only setting now? I mean, it's still light. The lights are on, yes, but you can see it's not yet dark.
Service to Liverpool Central. Whilst on this Merseyrail service, please note it is an offence to have your feet on the seat of the seat frames, and it is also an offence to drink alcohol or smoke on this train, and that does include e-cigarettes. There are also litter bins located in each carriage between some of the seats, so if you do have any litter, could you kindly place it in these litter bins and not just leave it on the floor or the seating area. And on the way to Liverpool Central, this train will not be stopping at Green Lane.
Okay, thank you. Almost there, guys. I think in the next 10 minutes, no, actually 5 maybe. The next station actually is Liverpool Lime Street, so yeah, the next station is actually Liverpool, so let's get ready now. Bye bye. If you guys have watched till this far, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, to leave your lovely comments here, and I hope you enjoyed and have learned, or at least know how this few places around UK look like. Yeah, see you, bye. That's my train going, guys. So I have just arrived. I almost passed by. Luckily, oh my gosh, how do I get up here? Ah, there. So it's okay. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna cry. Suitcase, hi. Are there elevators? We are in Liverpool. Whew. As much as I don't know where I am, at least I see light. I was so scared downstairs. But I guess this is something better. I now need to find out where I can take a taxi. But anyways, yeah, we have arrived. Thank you guys so much if you've watched till this far. Let me just show my face. Hold on. Yeah, if you have watched till this far, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, leave your lovely comments down below. Tell me how much of a brave girl I am, okay? Traveling all the way alone. I usually do it anyway, so it's okay. But yeah, I've arrived. I've arrived, and see you guys in my next video. This is Liverpool. I hope to give you guys more context. I think Liverpool is a nice place. We're going to watch soccer. Aren't you guys excited? Yeah. So yeah, let me go find out where to take taxis. I'm gonna follow where the crowd is going, because I see everybody's going that side. So I'm gonna go that side and look for a taxi that side. See you guys. Bye. This is the closest thing I could find. Written Liverpool Lime Street. So yeah, welcome. Oh, just a little bit of how Liverpool Lime Street station looks like. Yeah, I think this is basically it. Hold on, the ninja. Guys, my bags. What should I do to learn how to travel light? Because this cannot be life. No. Instead of looking for a taxi, homegirl is taking videos for you guys, as dark as it is and as lost as I am. Can you imagine the love I have for you guys to update you? Yeah, but guys, let me go, because now I don't see any taxis. Maybe I need to call an Uber. Oh god, everybody's looking at me like, who's this crazy girl with a big suitcase? Because my suitcase is, it's crazy. The time is 9:30. And here are my taxis, guys. The taxis are here. Look at that guy looking at me already. He knows I need a taxi. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys where I'm going. I'm putting this guy in the video in case anything happened. These taxis are so funny. Anyways, cool. I don't know if I have to call one. Oh, I need to use the app. Guys, check you guys later. But yeah, this is goodbye. Bye bye. Bye, okay? Bye. So how it works is, next in queue, I don't even have to go for an app. So I'll get in this taxi, guys. Bye. Okay, let me just take here. This is my taxi. It's so weird. It's really weird, but yeah. Until what time do you guys operate?
Sorry.
Until what time do you operate?
Well, there's taxis on all night, really. There probably won't be many hours, you know.
All right.
Very early hours, but
All right.
there'll be some taxi drivers on all night, but not many, like on a Monday night.
All right. Welcome to Liverpool, guys. What is nice in Liverpool that I can see?
Do you like museums, art galleries, that sort of thing?
Okay. And then maybe football.
Sorry.
Football.
Yeah, it's difficult to get tickets, you know, for the football matches. You can go and do a tour around Anfield, and also, I don't know about this. I know they do tours around Anfield football stadium.
Are you saying it would be hard for me to get tickets?
For an actual game, yeah.
Oh really? Why? Fully booked?
A lot of them tend to go abroad. You can't really just turn up at Liverpool and buy tickets for the matches. They just need to have season tickets. You know, it's just very difficult.
Oh, okay.